The day that I remodel my room. It is long overdue. I did not think I would be living here for 4 years, but finally it hit me. It is time to make my room better, okay? So I'm gonna start with all the stuff that I have started to get so that we could prepare for this lovely room that I'm doing. The first item that I did get is this vanity right here. And I actually got it a couple months ago and I put it together because this was like the start of it. Disregard my fan cord. This, if you follow me on Snapchat, this has been my bed. I love my bed set, but even that, I need a new one. It has to go. I got a new bed set. And what's missing here, you guys? Yes, a headboard. No headboard and a basic lamp that is not even cute, but we won't even get into that. I had this TV stand right here, and pretty much it used to be black and it like was not cute. So what I did is I actually repainted it myself, and I kept it only because there's like no TV stands that allow you to have such a big stereo under it. So I pretty much just kept that as is, and I'm actually really digging it now that it's painted. And mi negra. For the exciting stuff, your girl got a new mattress as well. Before, I was just using like a mattress topper and a regular mattress, but now I upgraded my life to a memory foam mattress. So I'm super excited to open this. I'm gonna show you guys. This is also sponsored by Lull, so thank you for this new mattress. I'm definitely super excited because the reviews on this is absolutely amazing. So yes, we're gonna bust this out soon. And then I got this nightstand off of Overstock, and it pretty much matches the vanity that I got. It's both the mirrored glass with the silver lining, so I'm about to start putting this together. So yeah, let's begin. The bed is en route and she'll be here in an hour, so I'll also have to put that together. So today is a very, what's the word? Busy day. So let's get it started. So I put my bed together. I still have to allow this to expand to its full size, which can take up to 2 to 5 hours. So I'm just gonna leave this, go run some errands. But do you guys see, I did my whole bed by myself. I don't know how the heck I did this, but the grace of God, I did it. So let's wait for my mattress to get inflated, guys. I'm super excited. It already feels super soft. Just so excited. Okay, pretty soon this room will be transformed. Just wait, just wait. Okay guys, so my room is done and it is the next day. And as you can see, my mattress definitely got higher, which is great because you're supposed to give it 24 hours to fully inflate. So this is my new room, y'all. I'm so happy and excited. Like, don't mind the fact that I need to vacuum. I've been moving all around this room, but yeah, the only thing else I'm gonna get is just a really nice plant to go right here, and I'm gonna replace this lamp. I just don't know what I'm gonna replace it with yet, but definitely it's gonna be replaced by a plant. But yes, let's just take a moment to appreciate how comfortable my bed was last night. Like seriously, I felt like I was sleeping on a freaking cloud. Like it was absolutely amazing. It's honestly hands down the most comfortable mattress I've ever owned. Like this mattress is everything. So check the description box below for your coupon for $50 off. And if you have any questions about this bed, definitely leave a comment below as well. But I don't know if you guys have been seeing everything on Instagram with everybody getting this Lull mattress, but I had to know like what the hype was about because I've been seeing it everywhere, but it's worth the hype. It's actually very comfortable. I woke up super well rested. I had no aches, no pains because all I do is go to the gym. So I actually really love this mattress. And I'm just really excited for my bed. Just beautiful. Definitely leave a comment below. Let me know if you like my new room because it was looking, you know, pretty basic before. I just wish I took a before picture of all the stuff or even the TV stand before I painted it, but I know for next time. So yeah, bye guys. I hope you have a marvelous day or night, whatever time it is, and I'll see you later. Deuces.